Morning, y'all. Here I am today, keeping the road cleaned up for the cutters and the log truckers. Let these guys drop a few and I'll have to go at it, getting them out of the way. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be doing the same thing and maybe I can go live. I'm gonna have to figure out some sort of phone attachment for in here that doesn't shake everything to death. But hopefully I can go live and bring you guys with me inside the shovel. I think this younger fella here, he might be taking my place. Looks like he knows what he's doing. Alright, boys. Let him rip. Just kind of broke that one up a little bit. Alright. Just getting the day going. So I finally got my results back from my doctor visit, and it appears that I have, what do you call it, degenerative arthritis in my lower back. And another condition to where my vertebrae kind of move on each other, and advanced height loss of my disc at my L5, so my cutting career might be done with. But we're gonna keep this channel rocking, even if it does take a change, and you know, just me doing different stuff, but I'm gonna keep trying to keep everybody entertained and really just try to keep this thing rolling, and hopefully y'all like it. Hope where the channel goes in the future. Hopefully it won't be just cutting footage, and really hoping we'll be able to do some really cool fun stuff here in the future and have some good stuff in store for you guys that I hope you enjoy. Anyways, stay safe doing what you're doing out there today. Have a good Monday. Bye-bye.